Large hanging wet dry bag with snap tote by Sleeping Lamb is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Material. This wet bag for swimsuit accessory made of environmental quality polyester surface, and durable waterproof coating, easy to wipe clean. Specification. Large pocket size, 15. 8 in by 12 inches. Front mesh pocket, 11. 5 in by 12 inches. Your wet bathing suit bag. Wet dry diaper bag made of waterproof material, it contains the smell pretty well, perfect for carrying wet swimsuits, wet washcloths, cleaning rags, beach towel, bottles, soiled clothes, cloth diapering, crib. Very roomy and has 2 separate compartments, one for clean, one for dirty clothes. Reusable bag and machine washable. Washed in cold or warm water. Zip it up without worrying about the urine smell getting out into the air or onto the change of clothes that are unused. Comes with a snap handle, so that you can easily pick the bag up or hang it. Simple design diaper covers for traveling, gym clothes, swimming class, luggage, laundry, RV, camp, school, daycare, pool, beach, diaper pail. Package. Chevron bag for wet clothes ×1. Owl bag for wet clothes ×1. Set 2 waterproof wet bag can store dry items, also works well for soiled clothes, swimsuits, cloth pads, swim trunks, shoes, flip-flops, dirty diapers, beach towel, soiled baby items. Breast pump parts, have no leaking issues, and does not retain smell. 2 large compartments swim bag with durable zippers for separating certain clothing, and the cloth diaper bag larger than others. The wet clothes bag can easily hold about 15 pcs baby cloth diaper liners in it. A snap-on the approachable handle for attached it to wrist, stroller, door, changing table, or diaper bag. This wet dry tote bag are easy to pack, and carry cloth diapering on the go. Cute unisex design, and sturdy environmental fabrics wet bag. It's harmless to baby skin, a great baby shower gift. Washable and foldable dirty diaper wet bag, a best choice as swim bag, pool bag, beach bag, laundry bag, gym bag for trip, RV, bathroom, daycare, school, yoga, swimming, packing trip.